The womb. The adorable womb that carried all and birthed them with incomparable passion of love and indivertible attention. The womb that not only gives birth to her children, but also gives birth to her children's requirements without the child asking, yet it becomes the absolute requirement of all her children. All she birthed, including the children and their symbiotic share mutual connections, that for everlasting is inseparable, yet allows for mutation of other creativities that the children may desire to create, because she understands they need to play, invent, and feel special. She made all this possible by distributing different energies for us to work with according to the energy we individually attract. This mother gives all in the hope that the children will appreciate and give back the love, nurture and care for her in return. But sadly becomes the beginning word of the sentence. Well, she still do not mind. All she wants is for them to be happy, replenish and fill the earth, yet a little belief in them to adopt positive change that will help her healthy existence. They changed, but is it for the good of their mother? Sadly again becomes the beginning sentence. They continued draining the mother more and more, extracting more from her womb. And she gives with the same incomparable passion of love. Mother Nature, what a wonderful mother you are. What a sacrificial example you have given as an exemplary mother to the ones you love. Your anger may take just a gust of wind to blow all of us away for you to have peace. However, you chose love. The love of seeing us happy over your peace and stillness. Each time I take a look at you, the wonders, the marvelous shapes and forms that carves out from splashes of waters, waves and winds, and the ways trees in the forest grows, the different flowers bringing forth those beautiful tones of colors that is beyond imagination how they come to be. I marvel beyond explanation at the forces beyond them all beauties. I always look on them with unstoppable imagination. Is it the way the birds chirrup at early hours in the morning, bringing that rare feeling each day, telling me that it is another great day to be alive? I lie still in my bed each day listening to them praises. I do not know how much I can do to save you, Mother Nature, because it is not a lone work. I need my brothers and my sisters together for us to be able to achieve this. Nevertheless, I have decided that I will do my part to contribute to your healthy existence, no matter how little. Please, I hope you can save Mother Nature too. Save Mother Nature. Save our environment. This earth is our home as long as we exist in human form. It is our beloved home. Happy Earth Day.